And then I'm asking, very neutral, are you now satisfied with our units? And he said, just breathe and you know it.
39 provide mist separation products to industry with something very, very unique. And I'm here to find out who's behind the brand. So, Theofil, tell me a little bit more about yourself and your role within 39.
Well, I'm working since 20 years for 39. No, 22 years right now. Now when I'm thinking, 22 years, yes. And I'm responsible for key accounts, customers, and for OEMs. So in Germany, of course. So this is my position as sales manager, what this means.
And so what do you like about selling your product to industry then?
Well, it's a kind of ideology because I like to give this service to our customers and to keep the employees healthy. So this is more fun making than sales. When you do something good to your clients.
What amazes you by your product? Because you have got something unique here in industry, but what is it that amazes you or you're most proud of? You know, when you're making a measurement of the clean air, you know, and you go, here you go, there's proof.
Well, this is something what everyone can do. But what I really like is the big difference between our technology to the rest of the, let's say, companies which have also products in this area. I don't want to call them competitors because we do not have competitors. But indeed, we are working here based on plate separation. And this gives us the possibility to collect all the oil mist directly at the source, to agglomerate it back to droplets and to bring it back to the machine tool. And this for sure helps us to have less maintenance for the maintenance people and less waste. So it's something also very good for the environment, what we have right now.
Absolutely. Have you got any case study or somewhat a story where you've transformed a business and you've gone, yes, we've done that?
Well, actually, yes, I have.
Lots.
Yeah, a lot of, really, that's true. I am not allowed to mention all the names. So it's
Okay.
a big German company where we have installed our units the first time. And the people were a little bit, let's say, skeptical. Let's call it like that. So just imagine you have a big surface where 200 machine tools are in it. And in this middle, we placed 20 of our separators on machine tools. And when I came back to the customer saying, how are you happy with our products? Or what do you think about it? He said, Mr. Hoffmann, please come with me. And we have entered the facility and the air was in the beginning really bad. And as near we came to the point where we have put our separator on the machine tools, the air gets better. And you stand then in the middle of this 20 machine tools with our separators and you could breathe. And then I'm asking, very neutral, are you now satisfied with our units? And he said, just breathe and you know it. So this was great to have this feedback directly from the company. So, and the good thing was the rest of the facility was also equipped them with our units. So this is something what I really love. That's great, doing good for the customers that we have.